So Cuties, Wendy here. Today I'm going to announce the pre-winners of the Draw So Cute, Draw a Cutie as a Fangirl #2 giveaway. As of right now, the video has over 2,700 comments, and so yes, it took a lot of work for me to go through all the comments and try to find the ones that really stood out to me, and also to hunt down the 2 entries that had the most likes. So thank you, Cuties, for helping each other and voting and being so sweet and supportive to each other. So I've definitely done my homework, and I have sheets of paper here with all the entries that I wanted to announce to you today. But the first 2 for sure that we know of, and hopefully, like I said, I tried my best to make sure I have this correct, but to go through all the entries. But please forgive me if I'm wrong. But the first person that got the most likes here is Crystal Strawberries 15, and she got 24 likes. Congratulations. And the second person here is Dazzle Drawings, and she got 29 likes. Wow, right? So congratulations to you 2 cuties for your entry and for all the likes. So now that we have those 2 entries announced, we have 3 more that are eligible to be placed on to be voted on the community page. But before I announce who those will be, I wanted to give a shout out to many of you cuties here for your entries, because there was just so many, and there's just so many that I really loved and felt that were very special. And so I wanted to acknowledge you today and to thank you personally for entering. So there's 10 entries I just wanted to quickly announce today, and they're considered like the runner-ups because they're not going to be voted on, but I really thought their entry was special, and I just wanted to say hi. And the first person is Mira Karstrom, of course, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you know her and Mishka, right? And then there's Eva Bell, there's Smash Queen 18, and there's Apsara Kotej. Hopefully I'm not butchering your names, cuties. And there's Milky X Bears, and there's Kaylee Wong. So there's 10 of you here. Kaylee Wong and Mira Sundaram. And let's see here. There's Arna Bot AB and RK Wright 07, Eclectic Elizabeth. And the last one here is Desmond Lowe. Thank you so much, cuties, for your entry, and I really enjoyed reading your entries, and I thought they were very special. So the next batch of names that I'm going to announce today are the pre-winners. 3 of them might show up on the community page to be voted on, so good luck. And the first one here is, let's see here, is for Zara. And what stood out about her entry was her gray sweat dress with a heart. I thought that would be really cute to draw. And then there's Saeed Muzammil, and let's see here. Her outfit was a pink top with a heart in it. And I know, right? There's like a heart theme going on. And let's see here. The next person is for Sakura. And the outfit was like with a black bucket hat and a t-shirt with a purple heart. And let's see, we have Bess by Eek, and the outfit is a pale pink short sleeve t-shirt with a rainbow on it. Thought that'd be really cute too. And let's see, we have 2 more. Next person is for Greg Meyer. The fan girl's name is actually Allie. And what stood out about this entry was that she wanted pink pom-pom earrings, which I thought would be really cute too. And the last person here that might be voted on is Apsara Kotej. And hers stood out to me because she wanted a pushing pink top with a blue skirt. And oh, and she says she loves my hair, and it's so pretty. Thank you. Yes, that did help. But that is pretty much it for the pre-winners. So thank you, cuties, for entering and for all the love and support you've given me for this giveaway. And I can't wait to see which cutie you vote for. And once everything, maybe a few more days, I'll give it some time for you to vote. And then after that, I'll start working on drawing it and making the video. And so maybe in about a week or 2 the most, I should have it up. So thank you, cuties, and I'm looking forward to this, and I'm so happy, like I said, that you love this idea, and this is the second time around, so hopefully if this goes really well, we'll do it again for sure. So head on over to my community page and start voting, cuties. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.